Hi, thank you for tuning in to the BC Liquor YouTube channel. My name is David Walla-Widnick, the resident cocktail stylist of Taste Magazine. I'm looking so forward to showing you this cocktail right here. It's called the Fruit and Nut. You're going to find it in the fall issue of 2022 Taste Magazine. Head out to any one of the BC Liquor stores to go pick up your free copy. This one's featuring the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, a little Amaretto di Saronno, and some walnut bitters. Now, let's get right to it. We're going to start by putting some ice in the mixing glass, and to that, add 2 ounces, which is 60 mils of this raisin-infused spiced rum. How did I infuse this? Well, this rum, I took an entire bottle and I put it into a jar, just like this. I put a cup of raisins in there, I sealed up the jar, let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. What you get are these beautiful rum-soaked raisins. I'm going to use those as a garnish later on, but you can also save those raisins and use them in your favorite dessert. Next up, we've got some Amaretto di Saronno. Now the flavor of almonds, so beautiful with raisins and with rum. 3/4 of an ounce, which is roughly 22 mils of this one. Just like that. And why not extend the nuttiness of this cocktail? Almonds and walnuts. 2 dashes of this beautiful walnut bitter. Okay? And now we're going to stir it. Stirring it will chill and lightly dilute to take the edge off of this spirit-forward cocktail. One of my favorite combinations of flavors are rum and raisins, and with the nuts, definitely something that I'm looking forward to. Now I'm going to take a cocktail glass and add in some fresh cubes, because those cubes have kind of warmed up a little bit. And a couple more here. Excellent. Now that that's chilled and diluted, I can then take and pour that right over the fresh ice. Oh, that looks so delicious. I can't wait to try some. Well, now we're going to take some of those raisins, put them right onto a little cocktail pick, just like that, and that can place right over the surface. You can snack on those raisins and sip on the cocktail, maybe by a nice warm fire after a day on the slopes. Come into the BC Liquor store, pick up a copy of Taste Magazine this fall in 2022 for this recipe and many more. And I look forward to seeing you again here on YouTube real soon.